In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on symbol label on TradingView 2026. Start by opening your web browser and searching for TradingView, or head straight to the TradingView website. On the home page, you'll see that TradingView is designed to track all kinds of markets: stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and more. So the steps we're about to follow will work no matter what symbol you're analyzing. From the top navigation, click on Products. This menu is how you access different tools on TradingView. To work with labels, you need to be on an actual chart. So choose the charting option from the Products menu to open a live chart workspace. If you already have a chart open, you can stay right there. Once your chart loads, focus on the right-hand side of the screen. That vertical strip showing current and historical prices is the price scale, and it's where the symbol name label will appear. This is what we mean by going to the prices of the trades. It's the area that lists the price levels and usually shows the last traded price marker. Move your cursor directly over that price scale. Now right-click on that area. If you're using a trackpad or a Mac without a dedicated right-click, use a two-finger click or hold Control and click. The key here is to make sure you're clicking on the price scale itself, not the candles or the chart background, because the menu options differ depending on where you click. In the menu that opens, look for the section labeled Labels. Hover over or click it to expand the label options. You'll see an item called Symbol Name Label. Click it to turn it on. When enabled, you'll see a check mark next to it, and the symbol's name will display on the price scale alongside the last price, making it much easier to confirm exactly which instrument you're viewing at a glance. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If nothing changes after you click, make sure you selected the price scale on the side where your instrument's prices are shown. If you use multiple panes or a left side scale, you might need to repeat the same toggle on that specific scale. If you don't see the labels option, try right-clicking again closer to the price levels. And note that this workflow is for the desktop web or desktop app. The mobile app uses different touch menus. That's it. You've turned on the symbol name label, adding a simple but powerful visual cue to your charts. Feel free to explore the other label settings in that same menu to tailor your view further without changing these core steps.